Welcome to Carset channel. Subscribe if you love cars.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Carset channel. Here we have a original Honda Civic Radiator fan, and as you can see here, the original Radiator fan is from Denso. So how do you know if this fan needs to be replaced? So as you can see, if you try to knock a couple times, you will see a lot of carbon falling out from the fan itself. This means the radiator fan needs to be replaced. Well, there's no way to fix it, or if you want to fix it, you will need to replace the copper or some of the parts inside the fan. However, this fan is taken up from a 2006 Honda Civic FD, and it costs about $80 to replace one. So personally, I don't think you really need to fix this fan by yourself, because this is too cheap to be replaced. So as you can see here, it's Denso, made in Indonesia. Yep, that's it. Radiator fan is something really important. So if your fan is not working, or it has a lot of carbon inside, or it works for some times and it doesn't work for some times, you have to replace it as soon as possible, because of overheating could lead to a lot of other problems to your car, and it's pretty cheap to replace this, and it's pretty fast to replace because it's only one plug. See? So that's all for the video today. Once again, this is a Honda Civic radiator fan. So here's a new replacement part for a Honda Civic radiator fan, and this is the code number for motor cooling fan 19030 RNA A51. You have to see it's a genuine parts from Honda.